Is she pretty? Didn't even know this was here.
What up there? Is that what made sound?
Yeah, it's a waterfall. And there's a bridge up there. And of course, Abby had a spill on the trail. Yep. But we found lots of feathers. It kind of looks like a bird blew up on the trail, but we didn't find the actual bird. It was kind of looked like the bird got plucked. Another adventure, another day. Careful, because rocks are usually slippery. Well, somebody had a party up here. Haynes his way. Abby, you're not going in there. It's very deep. Noodles, where are you going? 11-year-old dog. You know you got to come back down.
Yeah. I know that.
Chasing waterfalls, chasing adventures. Never know what's at the end of that trail. I've been filming. Turn around. Let's see what happened to you. Turn all the way around. Oh, yeah. She went down. She went down in the water. We're not going back up that way. We're staying down here for a little bit. She went down in the water. That would have been hilarious if I'd been filming. You're going to do it again? You're going to reenact what happened? So she was crossing like this. You made it this time. Oh, you made it. Adventures of Abby Girl shows how to cross the water. All right, show me how to cross. What are you doing? Oh, she's cleaning her injury, her boo-boo. Adventures of Abby Girl, showing everybody how to clean off her boo-boo. Now what? I'm still filming. What was it? A cat?
Yeah.
You heard a cat?
Yeah. Up there.
I love the summer. Short-lived hike today. I mean, it's expected. It's been really humid and it's starting to thunder. So there's probably a rain shower coming. But she does not like thunder. So, hiking back to the car we go. Summer is my favorite time of year though. It's just in the really humid weather, you get storms. We found berries. That makes everything better. It cancels out any thunder and lightning because berries make everything better. Wild berries. She's saying best day ever. We made it back to the car safely, and as you can see, my fingers look like they have a weird disease. It's just berry juice. And I gotta say, sweating with poison ivy on the back of your leg, and yes, on my rear end, is very uncomfortable. And in case anybody was wondering how the heck I got it there, watch where you sit on a trail. I had on short shorts, and yeah, I sat on it, it spread. Yay, Bob. But yes, beautiful weather today.
But not now.
But we made it back.
Yeah.
Itchy, stained, beat up, and thunder. This concludes this adventure with Abby Girl. Adventures with Abby Girl. Whatever I'm trying to say. Buckets of rain when you ended your hike at the perfect time.